Good morning, students. Now, continue our chapter 8 with how to add bullets or numbering. So, what is a bullet? A bullet is a dot or a symbol that is marked wherever you want to display the text in the form of different points. A bullet can be given when the order of the points does not matter, that is, an unordered. And a number list can be used whenever you want to display the points in some sequence or a ordered number. So I'm going to tell you about how to add the bullets. See here, I have written something about types of mobile computer. So here are the options: laptop, tablet, PC, e-reader, smartphone and smart glasses. Suppose I am writing here. So this is the bullets option. You click on this drop down arrow. I'll be clicking on this first here. Click on this drop down arrow. You see here, this is the bullet available. There are options of the bullets. So in this way you can apply the bullet. Clicking on selecting all the options. So when you select all the options, the bullet will be available. Execute. ठीक है? So in this way we can apply the bullets. You also give the numbered list, like this is the numbered list, this list in Roman, in English, small letters. So you can give this bullets also. Now our next topic is how to add the shapes. You click on this insert option, click on this shape option, and there are so many shapes available. You can choose any of the shape by clicking with the help of mouse button. Suppose I'll be taking the circle. The shape of the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Now click the mouse left button. Without releasing the mouse left button, you can draw the circle like this. Now you see here the drawing tool is available. You can change its color in this way. You can give outline of any color. You see the difference. So you can give the shape outline. You can also give the effects to the shape. How? This is the shape effects. You want to give reflection. You want to give the shadow. First of all, you select the shape effect, shadow पे गए. So in this way you can give the effects to shape. Now I'll be taking another shape. Suppose I'll be taking this shape. Draw this shape. Click on the shape effect. See here, this is the difference. Reflection is available on the shape at the bottom. Glow. See the difference. So in this way you will apply the effects to the shape. Now our next topic is drop cap feature. What is a drop cap? This feature allows you to display the first character of a paragraph in a large capital letter. That will enhance the appearance of the paragraph. That means the first letter of the paragraph is to be appear in capitals, more capitals. Suppose this is the types of mobile computer and I want to apply the drop cap feature to this letter T. So you click on the insert button and you click on the drop cap option. Yes, see here. When you go on this option, drop. This is a drop. The letter T will be large one. So in this way, you can give the drop cap feature to the word. How to add the border. Next topic is how to add the border. You can remove the drop cap feature also. How? You will click on this drop cap and none. Select this button, drop cap and none. So you can remove the drop cap feature like this. Next is how to add the border. You can add the border. Suppose I would like to add the border here. So you go on the home option. This is the border option. Sorry, insert. Now you can apply the borders. How? You go on the home tab and this is the option of borders and shading. Click on this drop down arrow and this is the option of borders and shading. This is the box available. You can click on this box option and click on the OK. You see here, this is the border. You can apply the page border to the document also. Go on the page border option. Color. Which color you want to give the border? Width. कितनी width लेनी है means thickness of the border. You can take the art option also. Like I have been taking this and apply to whole document. Yes, I would like to apply this border to the complete document. Click on the OK button. You see here, this is the way how you will apply the page border. So for that you have to go on the page border option, borders and shading, page border, and in this way you can take this one, click on the OK button. So students, in this way you can apply the borders and shading options. Okay, now the last topic is how to save the document. So whenever you open the Microsoft Word, here it is written document 1 by default. So you must save your document. Click on the file option and save as. A dialog box will appear. You must choose a location, desktop, and give the name, any of the name that you want to give. Its type of mobile computer, save as type Word document, and click on the save button. See here, its name is written on the title bar. It's a type of mobile computer. So students, in this way you can save your document. So must save your document so that you are able to open the document in the next view. Thank you.